Hello, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable maintenance mode for your Toyota Hybrid. So what is maintenance mode? Maintenance mode is a special mode that comes with your Toyota Hybrid that allows you to force the engine to run in idle or at speed, even though your hybrid is still charged. So why would you want to do that? There's some use cases for it. For example, in my case, I'm going to flush my engine. And in order to flush the engine, you need to keep the engine running at idle for a couple of minutes, at least 10 or 15 minutes, so as to allow the flushing liquid to run inside the engine and clean out all the contaminants. Or other use cases could be to troubleshoot your engine. Maybe your engine has some issues and you need to keep the engine running while you do your troubleshooting or maintenance. So, without further ado, let me show you how to do it. You just go into your car, and the first thing you need to do is to power it on without tapping on your brake pedal. Just press this 2 times like so, and you go to ignition mode. So that means the engine is not running, but your accessories are all powered on. So you need to follow the next few steps really carefully to enable maintenance mode, because the steps are really specific. So, accelerator pedal 2 times. Now, we switch our mode to neutral. And then we go back to our pedal 2 times. And then we go back here, back to park. And then now, 2 more times. And now you can see here, the dashboard shows maintenance mode. So to complete this and turn on your maintenance mode, all you have to do is press the brake pedal and start your engine just like normal. And then here, the engine started to kick in, and you keep running until you turn off the car. So to disable maintenance mode is really easy. Just need to power off the car. And to show that maintenance mode has indeed turned off, I'm gonna start the car like normal. So press the brake pedal, and I'm gonna start. Alright, so let the engine warm up a bit. You can see maintenance mode is already turned off. Okay, there we go. So the engine has already warmed up and it has powered off itself. As you can see here, it's running in electric only mode right now, which is what you normally expect after the car has warmed up already. Okay, so just in case you miss it, let me show you the steps again. Power on 2 times, you get to ignition on mode. Then now, pedal 2 times, we get to the shift pedal, shift to neutral. You can see here, neutral. And then we go back here, pedal twice again. And then we go back here, shift pedal, back to park mode. And then we go back here, once again, pedal 2 times. You can see here, maintenance mode. Alright, so let's start the engine. Okay, so one thing you have to remember about maintenance mode is all your safety systems are off. So it's not very safe to drive this car out because it may spoil your inverter and it may damage your hybrid system. You can see here, safety systems are off. You have your traction control, your pre-collision, everything's off, and it's not really safe to drive out in this maintenance mode. Honestly, I'm not really sure why you want to drive out with the hybrid system turned off all the way. But you know, whatever floats your boat, right? Okay, so that concludes this video. It's a really easy video. Shows you how to enable maintenance mode on your Toyota Hybrid. And if you like this video, please remember to like, share and subscribe. And stay tuned for future videos. Goodbye for now.